Hey, what's up, guys? This is your girl Carolyn with another video. This video is going to be kind of backwards because we're moving from what happened to how it happened. The what is us being able to get to church on Sunday. The how is by getting better because we were completely sick with the flu before. And I'm going to show you how we got better with our homemade remedies. Enjoy the video.
Look right behind you, Gianni.
Alright guys, so here is the actual final results. Like I said, we're moving backwards. I'm going to show you guys how I make it. This is me actually blending it, being absolutely tired after the whole process is done. Before it actually got to look like that, it started looking like this. All the vegetables were put in a pot. And before that, it also looked like this. These are all the vegetables that were used. Now I'm going to show you the process of me actually sitting here and cutting everything up. As you guys can see, I have a mask on because I am sick. And even though everyone in the house is getting sick, I was actually already sick and I didn't want to get anyone else even more sick. You know, they say that when it goes around, it mutates and it gets worse. So mom has to cook, but I'm going to make sure that the kids don't get more sick by spreading my germs. So I decided to cook with a mask on. You see me here chopping up the vegetables, talking to the kids, asking them how they want them cut up, which didn't make any sense because a lot of it got blended anyways, but just in case, I asked them because if they have big chunks, sometimes they just don't want to eat it. So the soup that you guys are watching me make on this video is a soup that I make very often. I make it generally when somebody in the house is sick or about to get sick. Anytime that the kids even sneeze or cough, I'm immediately going towards making this vegetable soup. It is always jam-packed with vegetables, and I also make them lots of juices and lots of smoothies, as you're going to see here on this video. You can see here that I'm adding a whole jalapeno. I also add powdered cayenne pepper to give it that spice.
Hey!
I don't know if you guys knew, but red bell peppers actually have as much or more vitamin C than actual oranges. So they're very good for you. And I cut them up, as you can see here, and make sure that I put it in my soup. Here's Jada in the kitchen looking for a snack while the soup is being made. After I clean the broccoli, you can see me here continuing to cut it little by little, make it into smaller pieces. I include every part of the broccoli. So as you can see here, the stem, I am taking off the hard peel and actually eating the inside of the stem because I don't like to waste any part of the broccoli. Just chopping everything up. Take my time, nice and fine. Adding red onions. Cleaning up as I'm going. Very good strategy, by the way. The pumpkin adds that creaminess to the soup, and it also gives it a flavor that the kids tend to like, not to mention all the benefits that pumpkin actually has that you add to the soup. Here I am going back and forth, putting it in the pot little by little. I don't know why I did that, but I chose to do so. As you can tell, I'm still talking to the kids and they're still around me in the kitchen. I have always made home cooked meal a big deal. I've always made sure that the kids understand the value of eating something that's homemade versus packaged. So they've come to grow to enjoy being in the kitchen, and they actually cook at a very young age and make amazing meals themselves, which is a plus. In this part, you'll see me add lemon and lime as well as orange. So all three citrus into a juice. This was the base to my smoothie. Instead of just adding water, I wanted to make the most out of it and jam pack that smoothie with a bunch of vitamins. So my base was, like I said, it was lemon, lime, as well as orange. And as you're going to see here, it is going to be a 3-colored smoothie or a 2-color smoothie. One is darker than the other. But I packed it with a bunch of fruits. And that is so that the kids get the most vitamins. Usually, if one of the kids are sick or if both of the kids are sick and I'm not, I will be doing the meal cooking as well as the cleaning. But if I'm sick, like you guys can see here, I'm wavering, I'm tired, I really want to get off my feet. So what I'll do is that I will cook a really big meal, as you guys see here, and then I will definitely do my best to rest as much as I can and take in a lot of fluids so that I can get better myself, because it's very important to rest while being sick. So you guys are going to see me awkwardly rocking back and forth in this video, and that's because while I cook, I like to put music. So I'm probably swaying back and forth to some Andrea Bocelli or some Spanish music in the background. What's up? You're sick, my love. You need to be sitting down, resting.
I gotta clean. Just rest.
So as you guys can see here, I'm showing you the turmeric, organic turmeric powder. I wish I would have had whole turmeric as well as organic black powder. And I don't tell the kids that I add that, but I think by this video they're going to find out. They don't really taste it. Well, actually, they don't taste it at all. And as we all know, turmeric is a anti-inflammatory and an antimicrobial. So I like to add those type of things to the smoothie as well. As long as they don't complain, I'm okay with it. I don't know why I covered the camera here. But as you can see, what I'm doing is I'm just making the 3 base of the smoothie, different smoothie flavors to make the layers. That's the first smoothie done. Now we're going for the second smoothie, which was lighter due to the bananas being added. And now we're going in for the third layer, which I'm going to make with a lot of red things. A lot of berries and cherries to give it that nice red flavor that nice red color that you guys are going to see soon. And there it is. Beautiful. It looks like a beautiful begonia. Here I am mixing all 3 of them in, making sure I pack them up. Look how beautiful they look. Get every bit of it in there. Come on. Flavor explosion. Yes. Kawaii. It looks so cute. And this is how we made it to church by the end of the week. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you. Bye. Mwah.